In the previous 2 episodes, I shared my insight into what video you can use on LinkedIn and what content works. In this episode, I'm going to share my expert advice on how to make the most of your content. So let's talk audience. You need to think about what your audience are looking for and put yourself in their shoes. My advice here is to always start the process of creating content by defining the who, what, why, how, and when. Once you have this nailed, you can begin to draft your content. The following tips should help you structure your video and advise you on what needs to be included. To start off with, put your essential information up front. This will help maintain audience attention, so share your message and what they will learn at the start to make sure you capture their attention from the beginning. You have a few seconds to make your mark. Make sure your video works with both sound off and sound on. 85% of social media videos are played with no sound, meaning your audience are most likely going to be watching a silent video. Make sure your content is engaging and consider being expressive with body language, including visual references, images, and graphics. Make your videos accessible with closed captions, and subtitles will allow these 85% of people to read your message. LinkedIn allows you to upload a subtitle file directly to the video player. Remember, sometimes you can use the 2-camera angle to keep people engaged and stop them from getting bored. You can also include B-roll or stock footage to help bring your message to life. Consider the length of your video. Each type of content can be different lengths. For example, a brand awareness piece or product video should be 30 to 60 seconds long. A case study video could be 2 to 3 minutes, and for long form content, the maximum LinkedIn allows is 10 minutes. Make sure you include a strong call to action. Let your audience know what you want them to do once they've watched your video. This could be to visit your website, watch more content, or to get in touch. Remember to write an engaging title and description, as most people read a caption before engaging with a video. Make sure you state what they will gain from the video and then what it is about. Keep the description short, to 150 characters or under, and remember to tag people and include hashtags. Hashtags can help your content appear in trending posts, which will improve its reach. Include a link. Always make sure you include a link to drive the attention to a landing page. LinkedIn reports that posts with links tend to have a 45% higher engagement than those without. So I really hope you've enjoyed this series and now have the basic tools to begin creating content. If you have a project that needs professional support, just reach out to me on LinkedIn and I'll be more than happy to help.